Welcome to my channel. They call me aussiebede. I hope you enjoy the video. Good on you, mate. What are the 9 planets of our solar system? In order of planets in the solar system, starting from the Sun and working outwards, is the following: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then the possibility of a 9th planet, Nibiru, with Pluto being dropped from the list when it was classified in 2006 from a planet to a dwarf planet. The universe is all of space and time and its contents, including planets, stars, galaxies, and all the other forms of matter and energy. The Big Bang Theory is the prevailing cosmological description of the development of the universe. According to this theory, space and time emerged together about 14 billion years ago, and the universe has been expanding ever since. While the size of the entire universe is unknown, the cosmic inflation equation indicates that it must have a minimum diameter of 23 trillion light years, and it is possible to measure the size of the observable universe with an approximately 93 billion light years in diameter. The earliest cosmological models of the universe were developed by ancient Greeks and Indian philosophers and were geocentric, placing Earth at the center of the solar system. Over the centuries, more precise astronomical observation led Nicholas Copernicus to develop the heliocentric model with the Sun at the center of the solar system. In developing the law of the universal gravity, Isaac Newton built upon Copernicus's work as well as Johannes Kepler's laws of planetary motion and observations by Tycho Brahe. Further observational improvements led to the realization that the Sun is one of hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way, which is one of a few 100 billion galaxies in the universe. Many of the stars in a galaxy have planets. At the larger scales, galaxies are distributed uniformly and the same in all directions, meaning that the universe has neither an edge nor a center. At smaller scales, galaxies are distributed in clusters and superclusters, which form immense filaments and voids in space, creating a vast foam-like structure. Discoveries in the early 20th century have suggested that the universe had a beginning and that the space has been expanding since then at an increasing rate. According to the Big Bang Theory, the energy and matter initially present have become less dense as the universe expanded. After initial expansion called the inflationary epoch at around 10 to 32 seconds, and the separation of the 4 known fundamental forces, the universe gradually cooled and continued to expand, allowing the first subatomic particles and similar atoms to form. Dark matter gradually gathered, forming a foam-like structure of filaments and voids under the influence of gravity. Giant clouds of hydrogen and helium were gradually drawn to the places where dark matter was most dense, forming the first galaxies, stars, and everything else seen today. From studying the movement of galaxies, it has been discovered that the universe contains much more matter than is accounted for by visible objects, stars, galaxies, nebulas, and interstellar gas. This unseen matter is known as dark matter. Dark means that there is a wide range of strong indirect evidence that it exists, but we have not yet detected it directly. The ACDM model is the most widely accepted model of the universe. It suggests that about 69.2% of the mass and energy in the universe is a cosmological constant or other forms of dark energy, such as a scalar field, which is responsible for the current expansion of space and is about 25.8% of dark matter. Ordinary baryonic matter is therefore only 4.8% of the physical universe. Stars, planets, and visible gas clouds are only formed about 6% of the ordinary matter. There are many competing hypotheses about the ultimate fate of the universe and about what, if anything, preceded the Big Bang, while other physicists and philosophers refuse to speculate, doubting that information about prior states will ever be accessible. Some physicists have suggested various multiverse hypotheses in which our universe might be one of among many universes that likewise exist. In closing, I would like to plead with the leaders of our nation and stress